Why jump rope for home cardio?
Jump rope is a powerful, affordable way to boost cardiovascular fitness at home. Just a few minutes can elevate your heart rate, burn calories, and improve coordination. You need little space and only a jump rope to get started, making it one of the most accessible workout options for busy schedules or limited room.
Choosing the right jump rope.
Look for an adjustable rope that matches your height. Lightweight ropes are great for speed and beginners. Heavier ropes can help build strength. Make sure the handles are comfortable and offer a good grip. Measuring the rope by standing in the center and raising the handles to your armpits ensures the correct length.
Basic jump rope routine for beginners.
Start with a simple routine. Jump for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Aim for 5 rounds. Focus on small jumps, keeping your elbows close to your body and landing softly on the balls of your feet. Gradually increase jumping time as your fitness improves. Consistency is key for seeing results.
Fun ways to mix up your cardio.
Add variety by trying alternate foot jumps, high knees, or double unders as your confidence grows. You can also combine jump rope intervals with bodyweight moves like squats or push-ups for a full-body workout. This keeps routines interesting and challenges your muscles in different ways.
Safety tips and progression.
Jump on a flat, non-slip surface to reduce injury risk. Wear supportive shoes and listen to your body, especially if you're new to jumping. Warm up before you start and stretch afterward to stay flexible. Track your progress, celebrate improvements, and adjust routines for your goals and comfort level.